Okay, here's a brief demonstration of the tool I'm using right now. First, the digital DSLR, Nikon D50 digital DSLR with 6 megapixels of sensors, 2 gigs of RAM, which I'm using. It's a nice camera, good one. Okay, the computers, 17-inch LCD monitors, compact desktop. Well, 3200 AMD processor, 700 RAM, 80 gig hard drive. Computers, no big deal. Alright. Photo printers. Canon Selfie 710. Nice one. Prints well, extremely well. See this? It's nice. The other computer I'm using, my laptop, Sony Vaio V505. I really like it. It's a good one too. Alright, now comes out the tripod. The tripod, it's a big one. Well, it's a brand one actually. It's Vaio CX888. A one that, well, in the mid-price range, and it's really great. Of course, the video camera I'm using, well, it's, let's see, Sony Handycam HC 46. Alright, that's about it. Some more information will come up soon about videos and of course photos. Alright, thanks for watching.